Hey guys, welcome. In this video, one of the things I wanted to talk about and I forgot to talk about was the pull request and what we want to do on checking items out. Now, you may be using a desktop app for Git, and that's fine as long as you're familiar with it. But I'm going to show you how to do it in Command. I'm going to show you how to do it in Windows. If you're using a Mac, you'll just use Terminal, which is exactly the same thing. You'll just come in here and type in Terminal. The reason I'm doing a Mac PC because everyone's using PC mainly. But this is Terminal, and you're going to use the same thing. Alright, so for most purposes, we'll come into Git Bash here. I'll zoom this in a little bit so you guys can see it. We'll change the directory C:. Alright, I'll go to my users folder. I'll find myself. Clear that. We're doing a list. We're just going to create a new directory. I have a Git directory, but I'm just going to call it something else. I'm going to make a new directory and call it GitHub. Perfect. Clear it. CD, change directory into GitHub. So it puts me in that directory. I'm going to make a new directory called SF for Sunfresh. I'm going to CD into that directory so I can see stuff, which is nothing right now. It's just clear. Perfect. Alright, so we did that. What we need to do is we need to bring down that branch. We could go into our branch, which is Jeffrey J. Seaman branch. Doesn't matter if you click on the code, it's going to be the same thing. I'm going to skip copy this. Last time I did this, it kind of messes everything up. So I'm going to do a git clone. We're going to get some extra characters here for some reason. I haven't figured out why it's doing that, but whatever. Paste it. Oh, it worked this time. And hit enter. And so now it clones it. So if I do an ls, I should have Sunfresh. That Sunfresh is the name of the repository that we're using. So we're going to do Sunfresh like that. Yes. Do an ls. We'll have a readme file. Perfect. All right. So you notice right here we are on the main branch, and that's not where we want to be because we can't push items to the main branch. We have to push it in our branch. So if you do a git branch, in case you're not familiar, in -a, it'll tell you to list the branches. So like for example, I'm assigned to Jeffrey J. Seaman Sandbox, so I want to check that branch out. So in order to check out an existing branch, if you type in not got git checkout and name of your branch, which is this Sandbox, and hit enter. You'll notice here, I'm going to zoom this out a little bit. So it has my name in parentheses. That means that, hey, that's the branch I'm on. That's perfect. So anything I do here is fine with me. For the heck of it, so we'll make this simple. Let's go out to that directory. Let's go, and we're just gonna make a change to the readme file just to show you how this works. Let's go to Seaman. Nope, that would be too easy. Let's go to C users. Perfect. We need to find our GitHub account right there. There's our Sunfresh. We're going to open readme file. I'm just going to open it up with TextPad or something. Let's keep it simple. And we're just going to add a new one and say adding a new line. That's it. Hit save. Perfect. Alright. Now we're going to come down here and type in git status. It'll show a change. It'll be red. Is modified. So we'll do git add dot just adds everything. I could just say add readme file. So for example, let's say that you're working on 4 different files and you don't want to add everything. Only add what you want to send up. Alright, so I'll just do this, and if I get status, it's green. Perfect. Alright, so now I need to do a commit. -m, everything's case sensitive. Added a line and readme file. Perfect. And you see that something's been changed. Now we need to do a git push origin, which is only going to push to our branch, as you see here. So now if I come up to GitHub, and let me refresh my page real quick. Oh, it popped something up there. Yeah, okay. So you see there's a commit, one branch, one commit ahead of main. Okay, what does that mean? That means that I have my sandbox, I made a change. And what did I do to it? I added a line in the readme file. So if I click on it, this has added a new line. That means that, hey, we need to do a pull request. So you could do a compare and pull request. That's one way. You could come into pull requests and do a new pull request. But you see right here, JCman had this. It's pretty easy to do. Compare a new pull request, main to that, and you can leave a comment. I'm not gonna create a pull. Well, we'll do it for the heck of it. Please close this out, Tyler. But this is my pull request for ticket 145, and we're just making this up. Created a button for the I don't know, for something, for the shipment maintenance page, even though it's not. Okay, and then what I would do is I create the pull request. All right, so now it's out here. Now it's sitting here, and then Tyler would come in and he would make his decision whether it needs to be pushed into a main or not. He could decline it. So in this case right here, he can move it. I'm gonna say close pull request because I don't want to push this out there. Closing because it was a demo. And oops, was a demo and do not want to include in the main branch. So we're declining it and hitting the comment, and that's it. So now your pull request is closed. And it shouldn't add anything to the main branch because, well, it's in mine, but there's nothing in there shouldn't be nothing in the main. So just like that. That is how I want you guys to do this moving forward. This is a good orchestration. It's a good process. You have your own environment. You can test it in your own environment. If it doesn't work, do not push it. Think of it this way. You know, some people hand in assignments. Not I'm saying you guys, but anyone could hand in an assignment and they know it's wrong, but they just submit it anyways. And we don't want that to happen. So you can't just put something, write it in C#, steal it, and put it out there and push it and know it's going to break because you're going to mess everyone else's process up. Do not do that. Okay? So be careful. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. This is pretty much a quick video. It shows you how to do a get pull request. It shows you how to check out your own branch, and that's it. Thanks for watching.